Video to fix game thumbnails not showing in Citron Emulator on Android. And if your game library looks blank, this video is for you. Are you frustrated because every time you open Citron Emulator, your games appear without thumbnails, making it hard to recognize or select games quickly? This usually happens because of corrupted cache, missing permissions, or issues with the emulator storage settings. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of complicated steps, often telling you to reinstall the app or clear all data, which can cause you to lose progress. On Rexist, I focus on simple and safe fixes. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that restores all game thumbnails without losing your saves. This method clears the thumbnail cache properly, refreshes the media library, and ensures Citron has a correct storage permissions so all games display their images correctly. It works on most Android versions, including Android 10, 11, 12, and 13, and takes only a few minutes. If Citron Emulator keeps showing blank thumbnails, this fix will solve it fast. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click and setting, comment below and let Rexist know, and I will guide you until all your game thumbnails appear perfectly.